Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Brittany Christina of the Brittany Christina collection, and today we are going to be doing a DIY video on line art. Alright y'all, so right now I have my sketchbook and I have the photo that I want to recreate on my computer screen. What I'm going to do is just practice drawing, and I'm making this middle photo here. I'm gonna practice drawing this middle picture on the sketchbook just to kind of get a feel for what I should be doing before I actually draw it on the canvas painting itself. And my goal is to I'm gonna sketch the image directly on the canvas painting and just go over it with actual paint. That's my goal. So hopefully it turns out great. Hopefully I don't mess up because I only have one canvas. So we'll see how this works. Alright, so this is my finished sketch. This is what it looks like on the first try. This honestly took me all of like a minute to do. It wasn't hard at all. And so I'll just put it next to it. I think it doesn't look too bad. I think I hate coloring things, so the actual sketch in pencil looked better than when I started going over in marker. I just hate when I add color to stuff. But yeah, I think it definitely resembles, and so now what I'm gonna do is sketch this on the canvas, and then I'll just, you know, paint it black. So. Alright y'all, well that's the end of the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you like it, and hopefully y'all try this. It's pretty simple and easy to do. If you do try it, let me know how it went, and I will see you all in the next video.